Hey everyone, and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are diving into the world of Canva, your go-to platform for all things design. Whether you're a seasoned graphic designer or just getting started, Canva has something for everyone. So let's explore what Canva is all about and how you can use it to create stunning designs effortlessly. Let's begin. Now, for those who are new here, Canva is a popular online graphic design platform that allows users to create a wide variety of visual content easily without the need for extensive design experience. Of course, it provides a range of tools and templates that enables users to design graphics for various purposes, let's say from social media posts to presentations, posters and logos, and a lot more. But how does Canva works, okay? So there are like different types of Canva accounts. One is the Canva Enterprise that enables you to organization to create, collaborate, and of course publish visual content with a secure platform designed for enterprise. If you click on the contact sales here, all you have to do is just provide all of the information necessary, and then some of the sales professionals from Canva will obviously contact you again. Now, there's also the option for the Canva teams, because from here you can create content faster, making your brand stand out. And this is going to be for teams. If you are working for a project or collaborator, this is going to be the perfect account for you. All right. When you click on the plans and pricing, there's going to be four options. Of course, we discussed about the teams and enterprise. There's also a pro wherein you can create stunning and design in no time with unlimited access to premium content. The reason for that is when you click on the free option, everything is really free, but you have certain limitations. All right. So we will deal with that by clicking on the sign up option. Now from here, if this is your first time in Canva, just click on the continue with Google or continue with another way. Now there are multiple options for you. You can continue with your Apple, your Google account again, your Facebook, your Microsoft with Clever, your business or working email, or you can also log in using your mobile device and just follow the on-screen instructions and you're good to go. Okay, so this is how Canva works, all right? Now, Canva offers a vast library of templates for different types of designs. So you have like videos, logos, presentations, YouTube thumbnails, posters, documents, infographics, and a lot more, because from here users can choose a template that fits their needs and customize. All right, so I'm gonna go for the social media. And I'm going to choose for now a YouTube thumbnail. Because from here, basically we can start from scratch. You can create a blank. You can also choose from the variety of the templates that you can use. You can also sort them from filters from modern, minimalist, simple, and a lot more. You can also choose the theme for black, corporate, company, and a lot more, right? So these are all highly customizable. It's very easy and intuitive. But for now, I'm going to click on the create blank, right? Just wait for it. It'll load. And as you can see, if you created the blank canvas here, you can also choose the template that you want. Okay, so I'm going to rename the our canvas here. And from the drag and drop interface, say for example, I'm going to use this one, all right? It's very easy because it allows you to easily drag and drop for editing. Users can now add text here. In the left side panel, you can click on add text. So these are the texts that you can use. All right. And from here, it's also highly customizable. If you don't like this specific text, all you have to do is just go here at the multiple fonts right here. So there's a lot that you can do. You can work around and play with your creativity. But of course, it doesn't mean that you need to have a graphic design. All you have to do is just be creative, all right? Now from there, you can also add an image, right? Go to elements again. There's a lot that you can do. Shapes, say for example, you want to put in some square, some rectangle, and you can also go here, aligns. So there's a lot that you can do, right? But for now, I'm going to click another page and I'm going to use the upload option here, right? Now, I'm going to drag this one here. You see, it's a very easy to use platform. All right. And from here, all I have to do is click on text. I'm going to use a very simple text. Okay. Maybe I'm going to use this one. Click on it. And there's two text right here. And there's an option to ungroup. So click on that so you would be able to customize or remove the unwanted second layer of text. And all I have to do is copy this entire thing here and put it here. Of course, again, these are all highly customizable. You can go to effects to have a certain effects that you wanted. You can play around with the color. All right. And after doing so, as you can see, we already work with our first file. All right. Now, when you click on the share option, all right, you have the option to download in different file formats. You can choose the PNG, the PDF standard, the PDF, SVG, MP4, and even other file formats. Now, you also have the option to hover its size, but the problem is there's gonna be a limitation for that because if you do that, you need to upgrade to Canva Pro. So that's the difference between Canva Pro and the free trial. All right. Now, after that, you also have the option to share it with a social, Instagram, Facebook page, Twitter, TikTok, Facebook story, and a lot more of these platforms that you can. You could also have an option to schedule. But again, if you see this crown right here, that means that's the Pro subscription, which you can try for 30 days and cancel thereafter. Now, you also have an access to collaboration link. And from here, if you're working with a client, with a partner, with a company, or with a team, you can give them access, or you can only access the design using the link. Now, if you wanted others to use this template right here, all right, you have multiple access for that. You can give the other collaborators that can edit, can comment, and can view. All right. And after doing so, there's also another options here to integrate. You can save, download selection, save it to your Google Drive, Dropbox, OneDrive, Microsoft PowerPoint, and a lot more. Basically, that's how Canva is very powerful. It's a very versatile and user-friendly tool that caters to individuals, businesses, educators, and creatives looking to create visually appealing content quickly and efficiently. Its intuitive interface and extensive library of resources, making it accessible to users of all skill level, all right? And I believe that's a wrap for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in the next one.